Hey, oh, way, oh, shoot. What are you doing in here? Look, man, chill out. I'm just trying to get you this package. And you couldn't leave it at the door? Because I'm a carrier who cares. I also need a signature. You got a stylus? You got fingers? Give me that. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. Now, how would you rate your experience in delivery today? Very concerning. What? 5 stars, man. 5 stars. Very good. Thank you. Would you recommend this delivery service to your friends? Sure. I bet you would. You have a good day, sir. Appreciate your time. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. You're welcome. Thank you. I'm going back to sleep. Salutations, good people. My name, of course, is Neon Raw Talent, and I want to thank you again for tuning. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome. Returning subscriber, thanks for coming back again. So, today we got another shoe custom. A friend of the family DM'd me on Instagram and said, hey, I want to know if you can customize some kicks for me. They got the Team Jordans they ordered, shipped them all the way to me. They're in North Carolina, so I'm going to ship them back. But we're definitely doing something positive. You know, we got the musical notes, Queen, Melanin, just positive vibes, graffiti style, just, you know, really doped them out, added a lot of good flavor to them. I hope y'all like them. So I'm not going to hold you up too much longer, but let me know in the comments what you thought about the skits that I've been doing, this one in particular, and then the skits I've been adding, if it's something you like, and just your thoughts on it. So I'm not going to hold you up too long. Let's get right to this custom. Let's go. All right, so first thing we're going to do is take our neon Amazon green, our gift box blue, and we're also going to make a light blue and going to start to fade, stroke back and forth to get a good gradient going over the tire of the left shoe. Then we're going to draw out our women with the locks and top of that, and we're going to fill in the fine details with our black pen and start to sketch out the letters for Melanin across the shoe. Next, once that's sketched out, we're going to fill in all the negative space with black so that the color fade pops really good through the letters and our woman with locks. Once that's done, we're going to do one half of the shoe black. Now we're going to move on to our other shoe to do a fade of the same colors in the upper right section of the shoe because we want to spout letters over that as well. Next, we're going to fill in our lettering for Blessed Queen. And we're going to fill in the black around the lettering as well. And then we're going to white out the entire area around the letters that we don't need a color fade for because we want the gradient to just pop through the letters of Blessed Queen. Next, we're going ahead and filling in our details for our graph, for our music notes, as well as the treble. Once that's done, we're going to take our gold acrylic paint pen. We're going to put some gold music notes as well as the gold outline around Blessed Queen. And then we're going to take the gold and do an outline tire around the lady as well as the word Melanin because we really want these colors to pop against the surface. Once just add some fine little details and some extra flavor. And then we're going to outline black within the letters inside of the gold back outline. And then we'll do some black outline around the gold music notes, and then we're going to black out the entire right side, and then do some splat paint, and we're going to add a treble clef and bass clef as well for some final flavor. So again, that's all she wrote. Didn't get the chance to do a reaction. I'm shipping them out to them, so if I do a Zoom reaction or something like that, I'll be sure to put it on IG, so keep an eye out for that, or just maybe a post from them on them rocking them, or just a video of what they think. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you thought about this custom, the gold, or the flavor, the melanin, the portrait of the sister with the locks, you know, just overall what you thought about the flavor I added, and some things you want me to see in the future. You know, I definitely promise more shoe customs, but the reason I say I add flavor is because I like to paint anything I can get my hands on and add flavor to it, make it one of a kind. So, you know, vases, dressers, skateboard, anything, you know, you have an idea for. And if you want to get your own custom work from me, feel free to DM me as well, comment on the YouTube channel, but I respond more and view more on my Instagram, so be sure to send me a message on there as well. Thank you again for viewing as always. I appreciate y'all. If it's your first time, be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out, ring that bell, so you'll be notified of my next video. Alright, take care.